Hi, welcome everyone. We're cooking dried fish here. The first thing we have is, what do you call this? What do you call this? Oil and some electric pan. And then we have the extension because we're outside so our neighbors can smell the dried fish. Here's our dried fish, direct from the Philippines. What do we have to wait for? The bubbles?
Warm.
Warm? Hot. So just wait here. We'll just wait until this starts getting hot. So we'll wait. Okay. Pause this. We also have egg roll. What kind of fish is this? What fish is this one right here?
I don't know.
Oh, that's not good. People are gonna be making comments. Alright, here we go. What kind of egg roll is that? Vegetable?
It's pork.
Pork?
Yeah.
Pork lumpia? Alright, there it is, pork lumpia. Why isn't it completely submerged in the oil?
Because I don't want to put too much oil. It's gonna...
Spray?
No, it's gonna be waste. Because after cooking that...
Okay guys, there's your tip. Not too much oil because it's gonna be a waste. So we're being efficient here. What else is inside that egg roll or that lumpia? Pork and what else?
garlic, onions, and some salt, pepper. And that's it.
Salt, pepper.
What do we call that? Carrots.
Carrots. There you go. It's starting to cook. That's frying, right? That's frying in the oil.
Yeah.
And did we make those egg rolls, those
Yes.
lumpias from scratch?
Yes.
So that'll be in another video where we show you from scratch how we're making egg rolls. It's very time consuming, right?
Yeah, of course.
And you have to seal those egg rolls tight or else they explode? They
Yes,
just
then-
disintegrate.
Yeah. Look at that one. That's already
See,
open.
that one's open. See guys? See what you mean? Don't drop my phone in the oil. There you go. Alright.
Actually, this oil was used already.
See guys, this was old oil, used oil. We just recycled this
Yeah.
oil.
We cooked chicken from it.
So this was previously used oil. Alright, we'll come back to you guys. I think it's going to be a while. Alright, a little progress here. So now we're what? We're rotating the egg roll. Rotating it to the other side. Showing your bling bling over here. There you go. Now, how much would you say estimated this egg roll would cost? What do you think?
I really don't know.
You don't know. You don't know how much each egg roll would cost us. maybe what, $20 all in ingredients?
Maybe. Yeah.
Maybe at this time in 2025. $20.
Yeah.
But this is just a portion of it, right?
Yeah.
We also
We cooked the
previously,
rest of it, yeah.
So this is the last of the leftovers we're cooking. So you said which fish is what? Which fish is what?
That's danggit.
That fish right there. When we
Yeah.
take it out of the plastic, we'll show it to him. So
I don't know about this one.
we don't know about this fish. All we know it's a fish.
It's
Not
only given.
Not piranha, right? Yeah. Yeah, these fish were a gift to us, and we're gonna cook it. Alright, as you see, what has it been? One side is what, about 5-10 minutes each side, would you say?
Maybe 3.
3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes each side. Again, we're using this,
No, we wanted to cook this like golden brown.
yeah, golden brown. See the golden brown? You don't want black or burnt. And then this is our temperature. I don't know what temperature.
400.
400. 400 is the temperature. Where the light is 400. I don't know what cooking utensil we're using here. What is this? Electric pan or something? Yeah. Golden brown. See, golden brown. What kind of sauce are you partnering this with your egg roll? What kind of choices we have? Soy
Chili
sauce, chili sauce. We'll have to show that next time. Chili sauce, soy sauce, yeah? Can you have that with soy sauce?
Vinegar.
Vinegar, sweet and
Ketchup,
sour,
yeah,
right?
sweet and
Ketchup,
sour,
sweet
yeah.
and sour, ketchup. Oh, do we even have rice on the side for this?
Yes.
We have to make a presentable plate for everyone so they can see the end. This is raw. We're not doing any editing, nothing. It's the way it is. Almost looks like hot dogs, almost.
Well, next time we're gonna make hot dog.
AI hot dogs. Alright.
Homemade hot dog. Homemade sausage.
I don't know how the sound's gonna be to this with the wind and everything. Basically, it's just the oil doing its job. The oil just boiling and frying. So you can also just buy pre-made egg rolls and do the same thing with the pre-made egg rolls. They're just not going to taste as good, not as original as the homemade egg rolls. I don't know, so I can't cook, so we're watching the expert, Chef Candy.
I just like home food cooked.
What's that? Oh, you want the plates?
Yeah, give me those.
Plates over here. I guess when they cook, obviously you need to put the cooked egg roll somewhere, and we have plates there to transfer the cooked food.
What's up? Let's sprinkle them.
Yes. That's the hazards of YouTube. It's getting sprayed by oil in the cooking channel here. No cooking channel shows that, right? Oil getting sprayed. Real life. They're not showing you real life. This is real life. Good thing I'm wearing glasses. Won't burn my eyeball. Alright, looks like we're gonna start the transfer process here maybe.
Smells good too.
Yeah, well, YouTube's not gonna smell it, so they can just watch it. I guess the neighbor's dog is hungry also. No cats? No cats coming for some egg rolls. There you go. We're taking it out now. Just letting the oil drip from the egg roll. And just putting them, placing them there. Alright, I guess we're ready for the dried fish.
It's a fun part. I don't know how really how to cook this really.
So this is just a test run. We're just letting them, putting them in the oil. We'll see how long we can cook them in here.
Can I cook everything?
Yeah, let's get it over and done with.
Nice.
You know what this one's called or no?
I think this is danggit.
Dange? Dange?
Danggit.
Dangi?
Danggit.
Danggit. Danggit. Danggit.
I don't know.
I'm sure they'll correct us in the comments if anyone watches these.
Do you change the color yet or what? I don't know.
I think it got a little brown, yeah.
Darker?
Yeah, it looks like it got a little darker, yeah.
So this cook maybe?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know anything. Danggit. Danggit fish. It's 400.
So I assume this is cooked.
Alright, I guess that's it for that. And now we're just putting it
We
on.
don't have the paper on the other side.
You need a paper towel?
Let's just see. Yeah, so I don't can absorb the oil, but I don't have it. I have to try if it's cooked.
Go ahead, try if it's cool.
But it's hot.
I don't know.
Crunchy, no?
I think all dried fish is crunchy when you say that.
No, I mean when it's cooked, because it's not crunchy when it's not cooked. See?
I guess that's how we tell it's cooked, by the crunchy part. I don't know, I'll try some.
Purple is hot.
Yeah, it's hot. It's not bad. Good with a beer.
Why? Did you burn it? Does it
No.
taste burnt?
No, it doesn't taste burned. That texture. And I guess we're getting that crunch to it.
Oh my god, the fly. How much more of that? Your neighbor's smelling it. The neighbor's smelling it.
No, go away. You saw some cats here last night. I guess they're not around right now. What's that? Let me try this egg roll.
It's hot. Okay.
That's hot. Yeah, I can feel it. It's very hot.
It's hot inside. It's not something like this.
Ooh, yeah, it is hot. I can't even hold it. It's hot. We'll see the inside of that right there, so you guys have an idea. There we go. And then, you know the name of this one?
I don't know. What's the name of this?
So we don't know the name of this one. But it's a bigger type of piece of the fish. Looks like they cut it in half, yeah?
Yeah.
I guess this is where the old oil came from. And we just poured it in here.
Yeah, because after this is gonna be a garbage. I'm not
Yeah.
gonna be using this
So
now.
I guess after we cook this dried fish, the oil is no longer suitable to be cooked with anything else. So that's why we just recycled some previously cooked oil. Dried fish has a very strong odor, so I'm sure the residue stays with the oil.
The temperatures go down a lot. Fly.
We have some carrots in here.
Yeah.
Some carrots in here also. Well, egg roll is hot, but it was good. Fish almost looks like a piranha.
I know. Look at the eyes. The eyeballs. Goodness. Scary.
So we're not experts in cooking this dried fish, so we're just going by eyeball as far as we're trying to get some crispy out of it, trying to make it crispy. This is going to turn out to be a long video. I thought it was going to be short.
See that? Oh, this fly. Smelling this fish.
When you're done, are we leaving this out for a while?
Yeah. I'm gonna put that inside. Wait.
That's a big piece.
This is cool. Maybe.
I don't know. Doesn't look black to me, so it's not burnt. See how white it is? And then when we put it in the oil, it gets brown. You have to get those nets, yeah? We got those nets somewhere, right? We have to bring them out next time. Next time we cook out in the wild. In the wilderness out here. In the desert.
Maybe it's broken. Hi.
It's literally like 10 flies just showed up.
Let me give this to Asa.
Just which one? The egg rolls? Alright, let me pause this. Alright, this looks like our last 3 pieces from the bag we've gotten. That's pretty much all the dried fish we have on this plate. And in the next clip after this, we'll show you how it looks on a regular dish with a side. What side are you gonna have? Rice?
We have rice.
You have rice on the
We
side, and then some sauce on the
We
side.
have
Yeah.
mungo also.
What is mungo?
It's a vegetable. I made vegetable.
Vegetable mungo.
It's like kind of. It's like a soup type, but it's vegetable.
Soup type vegetable. I hope I'm not moving too much around on this camera. I'm trying not to. Pressing it down so it gets cooked. Because they're kind of popping up over the oil over there. Can you turn down your music? It might be a YouTube violation. Thank you. Me and Mama doing our cooking video, dried fish and egg roll. Say hi, YouTube. Hazel, do you know that fish? Can you research it on your Apple phone? Can you tell the YouTube audience what type of fish that is? Literally holding a phone in your hand. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, turn it off. Alright, we're going to turn this off. Hazel, what's this pan called? Do you know the proper name?
No.
Okay. I guess we're kind of like a fail on our first video here. We don't know. Yeah, they got all attracted to the dry fish. Make sure you just go inside, don't let her fly in.
We're done.
Alright, we're done, and we're gonna show you the presentable plate after we get this. Alright, let's run for it. I'm getting attacked
Just
here.
gonna leave this here for now.
Pause. Alright. We're getting here now. This is what you were saying. This is one of our sides.
Yeah, this is mungo.
Mungo. It's a Filipino dish there.
Yeah, with sotanghon.
Okay, well, we'll have to make a video next time on this. But it looks like some noodle and veggie in
Yeah,
there.
I just put noodle in there.
Okay.
It's like sotanghon
Okay.
and vegetable and stuff like that.
There we go. Alright.
There you go. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
And next time, you guys can see, we did some jackfruit here. And what's this sweet dish called?
Biko.
Biko? Biko?
Yeah, biko.
Biko.
We have this leftover.
Leftover
We
sinigang.
have
here.
leftover sinigang.
Beef sinigang. Okay. All right, putting the final dish here. So this is our final dish, and of course we have the staple rice here. All right, guys, we're gonna enjoy our food. Till next time, bye.